been forced to live out in the wild for 7 days. 7 days! And until I find civilization. You're watching Blake vs. Nature.
People, don't you know what's up?
Now follow me, come on, quick. I just found lunch. See this bad boy? It's gonna be my breakfast. Oh, come here. Oh no. Oh my good God, Jesus. It just almost peed on me. Now I shall attempt. If he's over this big, you can eat them whole. And should I go for it? No, my God, just got away! Gosh dang it, frog! You will rule this day! Wherever it went. This is an ant tree. Ants climb up this tree, so this will be perfect! I can eat these ants! See? It's kind of pitchy and crunchy. Scrumptious. Man. Now let's go. Now let's find a shelter. Let's go for a shelter. Now, you want shelter in the open to make sure the planes can see you. I think this will be good enough. Yeah, let's see. Is that good enough or what? Now let's start building our shelter. You're supposed to make it stick by stick. Branch by branch. Oh no, I'm gonna have the crew to help me build it. Alright? Now this would be good enough for the night. Now you'll get some leaves. And then you just cover it. You don't want predators to find you. Otherwise they'll eat you whole. You don't want that in the wilderness. That could be dangerous. So let us get down to business and go to sleep. It's in the middle of the night. My shelter isn't doing that great of a job. My flashlight is just keeping me going, yeah? I'm just afraid I might get hypothermia. That I might...
Oh, it's so cold, I don't know what to do.
I'm making a fire here. This right triangular system I have here, it's gonna make the fire a lot easier. You see, cause you put the fire on this part of the sticks and the smoke comes out here.
So much smoke come out of there, so much.
I just got stung by a bumblebee. That was like a 30-minute time you just come back. Now let's get back to business. Now let's start a fire with a stick and a rock. You put the stick by the rock and you hope it makes fire. Now let's pick the rock up. Something just pinched me. Now, if you do this little run, man. Oh my good golly gracious! It's a snake! It's a bad snake! Shut up! Shut up! You don't say, do ya? I can't believe he got married. That's early. He's only 24 years old. I'm gonna stand up now. Oh my gosh. What is this? It seems like someone's been here before me. A ladder. Now what? It walks. Holy moly. It's like... Give me a moment. I'm going back to camp, everybody, with my things. The pita bread and this whatchamacallit. Now let's get going. Since while I was gone, someone made a bed for me. This is strange. Are people stalking me? Well, I'm just gonna get to it. Well, let's say where we should sit. Huh? I think I said above that now. Now hurry up now. See that beehive over there? I'm gonna stick my head in it just to see what happens. Or just have a look around, whatever you like better. Now here we go. There's where we put the food in the fire. Now, oh my goodness, I thought I would never see one of those. Let's get out of here. Those pile of sticks must be lion nests. Let's get out of here. I might have to ask the producer. Oh my gosh, there's another. Let's get out of here. I might have to ask the video cameraman if he wants some bread. Now let's go. I think they're afraid of fire. So let's throw the fire to them. You can have it. Let's hide out here and eat our bread, shall we? We have to wait out the night to see what the lions do to us. Like a king. But these mosquitoes are getting really annoying. But I'll show you a good technique to keep your bearings. You get in the open and you hold a magnet in the air and you close your eyes and spin around 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and it will point you north. This onwards to north. Look at here! The old Indians used to use these bad boys to power their homes! Now let's go! Look it! I have made it! But you never know! These roads could go on for 100 miles and never stop! Like I said, these roads can go on for 100 miles. So let's go. Do I see? Oh my goodness gracious. Do you see these little white things? They spit. And it's a good resource of water. So if you drink it, you'll get lots of water. So this only means one thing. The rare spittle bugs. If you find one, you'll never see it again. It's right, so let's go look for one. Look it killed it. Is that so? No, it's just bad boy. It's a little soggy, but I don't look at right there. The yellow butt, you see? You can eat them. They're a good resource of vitamin C. Now let's go onwards. To the bearings! That way! Now! What's that I hear? Now, see there's open plains right there. So let's sit. It's an old Viking technique. You lay the grass and just wait here. Not a rabbit, mommy. No, not a rabbit, mommy. Oh, no, far cliff falling down. Oh, no. It's just a dream. This is just a dream. Now let's go onwards. What is that sound? You hear that sound? Let's start hitchhiking. Notice the technique works. But there's no cause of... Here it comes! Remain in a second! Here it comes! Brace yourself, everybody! Here it comes! It's so... It's pretty common in the Arizona desert. A fat hobo, motorcycle riding kind of guy, you know? I hope he doesn't take out a gun and shoot me. Some of you people doubted on me that my technique won't work. Oh my goodness gracious, there's the lion, the dragon. Now let's go defeat. Now let's go teach the lion a lesson, shall we? I see it's running in fear. No, I've tamed it. Its name is Dick. Dick, come here. Good job. Now see, that's how you tame a lion. Now let's go onwards. Now you see here, these are poisonous bushes. I'm guessing lions are poisoned by. So if I touch this like this and then go upwards, I can die instantly.
Yo,